press and hold grind button. Indicator flashes rapidly, grinder starts working. Release grind button at desired time. The buzzer will sound, the machine will record the time. Next use. Grinder runs for recorded duration. Hold and press grind and power buttons at the same time. You can restore the grinder. Coffee dose of single cup and double cup. You can adjust the specific coffee dose according to your needs. Long press the single cup or double cup coffee button to enter the customized flow setting. Release the button, and the machine will dispense coffee normally. The single cup or double cup button flashes slowly. When the required amount is reached, short press the button to save the current flow setting. When you brew coffee next time, the machine will brew the coffee amount as per your setting. Restore to factory settings. Press and hold the 4 buttons at the same time. Then the machine will return to the factory settings.